to recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you deleted your Facebook account and didn't log in for the next 30 days, it's officially gone, but there's still a chance to get it back. Here's what you need to do. Open your internet browser, your Google Chrome. Just search for Facebook Help Center, click on the Help Center option, and then you'll be welcomed with an interface like this. Click on Account Settings and then scroll down and you'll see a question. Was this helpful? Click on No and then click on Other, and here you'll see an option to write a message. Now here what you can do is address the Facebook team and say that why you deleted your Facebook account and due to personal reasons you could not log in after 30 days, and you state in your phone number and the email associated with the Facebook and ask them to help you to recover your account. And that's it. Facebook will reply to you back by 48 hours and your Facebook account will be restored. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.